Now that you know a little bit about this course, let's talk about the first week's worth of material. In this first week, we're really going to be focusing on foundational aspects of using Excel. What is Excel? What is a spreadsheet program? How do spreadsheet programs work? How is a spreadsheet structured? How should we set up our spreadsheets when we enter data? What are the best ways for us to enter data quickly and effectively? What kinds of data can we put into Excel and use in Excel? Many of these questions go unanswered in tutorials and other classes on Excel. It's considered too basic, too foundational. But if we don't master these aspects of Excel, it's going to make our learning later on much more difficult and frankly much less effective. That's a big point of what we're doing in this first week is making sure that I'm setting you up to succeed in the remaining 3 weeks and making sure that you have a strong foundation on which to build additional skills in this course and beyond. So get ready. We're going to focus on these things. And even after this first week, I think you're going to be really impressed with how much more you know about Excel and how much more comfortable you are with learning in Excel.